Welcome to all of you to this year's TfS workshop. Really great to see all of you. Some new faces, some very familiar faces. This year we have, for the first time, crossed the number of 50 participants.
We want to have impact in the market. And impact means quantity, but also improvements with the suppliers. And so we have established a good partnership with EcoVadis. And we believe that we even can go now into the next phase and look into the Tier 2 suppliers. And this will make really a big development for us.
We have developed a brand new ETFS module that supplements our existing TFS protocol. But going forward, Workstream 3 will be reshaping the audit follow-up process. We want to provide a simpler and more effective platform on which we will drive improvement. We want to increase transparency and visibility of the progress, and through this, drive sustained improvements.
We have become truly global through our activities in the countries, establishing regional teams. At the moment, we are working on revalidating and redefining the vision for TFS, which will guide our activities over the next years.
We will definitely take care that the TfS brand gets more awareness, especially in the regions in China, in Latin America and North America. And we'll make sure that we offer the right tools to the suppliers and buyers, that they know how to pursue their own personal responsible sourcing journey. So the team is super excited, and we are looking forward to contribute to the next decade for TFS beyond 2020.
This team is fantastic. And they live their passion, but even more important, they do it, they engage with it, and they're the ones who have framed, written, put in place all these processes and also all these activities with all our members around the globe, plus all the suppliers helping us also to manage TFS, auditors and other platforms like EcoVadis. At the end of the day, very importantly, very energetic. And with them, we are creating the future.
We've just finished 2 days of TfS workshop. There were 2 intense days with lively discussions and exchange of ideas. It's really great to see the energy and the enthusiasm across the TfS community and all the members to deliver on our TfS vision. So why don't you also join us on our journey to make the supply chains of the chemical industry more sustainable?